How's it going, guys? The first month of the year has flown past and it's already the middle of February. That means it's time for a new products video. We're gonna start off with some routine maintenance. We just recently added the ENEOS OW20 oil to the website and 5W30. So if you are up for an oil change, you can pick some of that up on our website. Along with the new Cartboy oil cap with either the black or red anodized center that has the Cartboy logo, which incorporates the oil symbol as well, so you can get rid of that ugly yellow cap. While we're still in the Engine Bay area, we're also going to talk about the new HPS Performance Short Ram Air Intake. We've got 3-inch aluminum mandrel tubing that's finished in a powder-coated red, black, blue, or a raw finish. Comes with a heat shield here as well as a pre-oiled filter. A tune is recommended, and you should see gains of about 6 wheel horsepower and 5 wheel torque. Otherwise, if you're just looking to run the stock airbox, they also have an intake inlet tube kit as well that you can run to kind of help spruce up the engine bay. Next, we're gonna move on to some lighting products, starting off with the new Spider sequential tail lights. These are available in a red lens, smoked lens, or a clear lens with black base. We also have their new Xenon model headlights with or without a halo around the projector. These are a little bit different than what we normally see on these cars, the Valentis, the OLM headlights. So if you're looking to change up the look of your car and go with something a little bit different, you can go with these. Otherwise, if you are just looking to stay with the stock headlights but improve your light output, you can go with the Morimoto 2-stroke 3.0 LED bulbs. We've also added a new exhaust lineup from Lachute Performance, ranging from their overpipe, catted front pipe to their 2 catback exhaust, which is their comfort model and their sport model. Obviously, if you're looking for something a little bit on the quiet side, you're gonna go with the comfort model. Otherwise, if you want something a bit more rowdy, you can go with the sport model. If you guys are interested in how those 2 catback sounds, let me know. I'll order some in, throw it on the BRZ, and then we will get some exhaust clips for you guys. Moving over to the Supra, this is gonna be for you guys that are looking to drag race your car. It's the HKS Hypermax 4SP drag coilover kit. It was made specifically for this application to keep the traction in the rear and allow you to get that power down to the ground and get down the track the fastest. Otherwise, if you're not looking to drag race your car and you're just looking to lower it a little bit, you can go with the White Line lowering spring kit as well. That's gonna lower the car a little over 1 inch in the front and just under 2 inches in the rear to get rid of some of that wheel gap. We're gonna end it off with some new Rexpeed products. The first one being the V2 paint match spoiler I have installed on our Supra here. This is a really nice addition to the back of the car. If you're looking for something subtle and not too obnoxious, really easy to install. The fitment is spot on as well as the paint matching, so highly recommend this. Again, if you are looking for something subtle to add to the back of the car. We also have their carbon fiber cluster switch panel badge as well as their reverse light badge. So if you're looking to add some carbon fiber accents to the car, those are nice options. And that pretty much wraps it up for this month, guys. If you are interested in something you saw in the video, the links are down in the description. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.